Join me today as I do a quick review of this Gorilla brand wood glue. Alright, since the beachside bungalow is really the first major project I've used this particular glue on, I thought I would take a couple of minutes and tell you my thoughts on this glue. So this is Gorilla brand wood glue. And what do they say? They say it is for the toughest jobs on the planet Earth. It's for wood projects, it dries natural clear, no foaming, indoor-outdoor use. It's got an incredibly strong bond. And I agree with all of those things. It has worked fantastically on the parts of the dollhouse that I've used it on. The only issue I'm having with this glue, and it is a minor issue, but I've heard from a couple of you and you've had the same problem I have. That is the design of this cap. This little sucker glues itself on here so tightly that you've got to use pliers a lot of times to get it off. Also, because of the design, the glue accumulates in the nozzle up here. And you can clean it out pretty easily with a craft knife or like a ice pick, something like that. You can get it out pretty easily, but it's kind of a pain in the butt. I did recently try coating this part with some Vaseline like I do on my paint bottles, just to see if that's going to help. Also, this, I don't know if you can see, this little part here that's supposed to help the glue come out evenly, it twists around on about the second time you raise this up and down, especially if it gets caught. It gets bent, it's really weak. I wish they would redesign that part of the nozzle. Other than that, it's a really good product. I will look up how much this costs and put it in the blog post. I don't remember off the top of my head how much I paid for it. But other than the inconvenience of having this get stuck, it's my favorite wood glue personally now, officially as of now. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Have a great day and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.